Hey guys, it's Yvette, and I have my box from Cotton and Twine, and I am like pretty sure that this is the one that comes with the special box that you had to buy. So it was like a sew along mystery kind of pattern, and I went ahead and I got the big box with all the goodies in it so that I would have that as well as the pattern as it goes along. Now this started, I want to say it was like at the very end of June, beginning of July, and they have been sending the patterns. I, of course, haven't been having time to do them yet, but I you know, someday I will do them, and I know how crazy that sounds. But I'm so excited to get this box open. I've been going through everything in my room here, trying to get everything open for you guys. And so now I'm really excited to open this Cotton and Twine box. So let me cut the tape on it. And I think, don't I always forget to cut something? I think it's the top here that I forget to cut. Nope, that might be Sweetwater. I don't remember. Okay, so I've got that tape cut, and let me get it off. Okay, there we go. Put that there. And there you go, that familiar paper inside. Scooch my glasses over. And let's see what we have. Okay, nope. False alarm. I'm not sure where that box is. Full disclosure now, I'm gonna have to, I have a feeling I'm gonna have to like look around. Okay, so this is actually the June box. Okay, so there's the design. It says Summer Blooms, very, very cute. And we have the pattern, which they always give it to us in color and also in black and white, depending on how you like to look at your patterns. And it says, welcome to the Cotton and Twine June box. This month's project is the fourth of our season designs. It is stitched in beautiful greens, corals, and pinks to showcase the beautiful colors of summer. If you are missing either the spring, winter, or autumn designs from this season series, they are now available on our website in the past boxes section. The box includes the wooden frame to display your work too. The gift this month is both super handy and pretty. A lunch/picnic bag from Puckator, I think that's how you say that, made from recycled water bottles. It's just perfect for summer days out or even to take your lunch to work. The sweet treat is vegan friendly this month. They are candy kittens in a delicious sour watermelon flavor. In your box, you have a color chart with symbols, Zweigart 16 count Ada, DMC pre-sorted threads, gold plated needle, all stored in your craft paper bag. You have a wooden frame to finish your project, a very handy and pretty lunch/picnic bag, candy kittens in sour watermelon, and clipper tea. Okay. Yay. Here's the tea. That was like right on top. And here are the candy kittens. Oh my goodness, how cute. Sour watermelon. Okay. As long as it turns sweet, I'm okay with sour. So let's see. Okay, so here's what they look like. A little nervous. No, I'm good. Okay. Yep, it's sour. Oh, hello. It didn't get super sweet, but the sour dissipated. Okay, they're good. I would eat the rest of them. The watermelon is yummy. Okay, here is the little lunch bag. Look how flippin' cute. It's a little tiny bag. And look, Okay, so it has a zipper. Oh, has a zipper. It's a nice size. It's very just put your food in there and go kind of thing. But the pattern is super cute. And it's made from recycled plastic containers. I'm thinking soda bottles or something. And I think once it starts, you know, not being flat anymore because it was packed to ship, you know, I think that's super cute. That is really super cute. Okay. And then here's our frame inside there. And of course, our little craft bag. Because, like, I love these little bags. I say that every time. Okay. So here's our Ada. And here we have our little needle tucked in right there. And there's our floss for the project. And that's it. And it's wonderful. I love this box. I love how you get the entire project. They give you the frame to go. I mean, listen, admittedly, it is not the most the highest quality frame ever. But does that really matter? I mean, I don't think so, because it fits, you know, it's going to fit perfectly. It's going to go with it. And it feels pretty sturdy to me. You know what I mean? Like it's no special design or anything, but really your project should be what's shining anyway. So I really appreciate everything that they put in the box. I think that they do a really great job. And if you have any interest in this, there is a link down below in my description box. I have been getting a lot of requests from people wanting to know about like the kinds of things that I use in my sewing room. So I have put like a exhaustive list down below. All of them are affiliate links, which means if you do happen to buy one of them, I do get a small percentage of the sale, but you don't pay any different price. They're just kind of thanking me for sending you over to see it. And the other thing is, there's nothing in that list that I don't already use myself and have loved using. So that's the other thing. I don't ever put anything down there that I haven't actually used. And so there you go. I'm so excited about this box. And I'm gonna take a look around because I don't know where my like box to go along with my sew along went. So I'll find it and then I'll have that opening as well. So I think I'm gonna have another candy kitten here. Have a little bit of my Diet Dr. Pepper. And then I'll see you guys in the next video. Later.